Good morning, dear students. So in the last session we have studied regarding the ones complement and twos complements. So today we'll study the Boolean properties, Boolean laws you can call. So in that we are going to study the total 10 properties. So today we'll study those properties. First we'll study the identity property. So under the identity property, the expression will be in the form of a plus 0, that is equals to a, and a plus a into a, that is 0 into 1, that is expression will be 0. So before we solve this expression, we'll see whether the expression is proved or no. So to prove the identity property or to identify the identity property, so let's see the equation. So first we'll take a identity property. So first expression will take, that is a plus 0. The value will be a. This we need to prove. So if we take, as we know, the Boolean algebra which will read the only two values, that is 0 or 1. So first we'll take the value 0. We'll take the a value as a 0. So then a 0 plus 0, it will be 0. Then a value will be 1. 1 plus 0, it will be 1. So the above expression is proved. That is a plus 0, which will give the a. That is 0 plus 0, which will give the 0. A value is 1. 1 plus 0, it will give the value of 1. So the above expression is proved. So next we'll see the a into 0. That is equals to what it will give? You can take a into 1. A into 1. So it will give 0. So let's see whether it will give a into 1, 0. So we'll put the value of a value as a 0, then into 1, it is 0. If we put the value of a is 1 into 1, it will give the value of 1. So the above expression is also proved. A value is 0 into 1, it will give the value of 0. We are giving the a value as 1. 1 into 1, the value will be 1. So you can see the truth table for this expression. That is, these are the a value and this is the a plus 0. So we are giving the value of a is 0. We are getting the a plus 0 value is 0. If we give the 1, then the value of a plus 1. A plus 0 will be 1. For this, a into 1, the value of a is and a into 1. So 0 and 1. So we are giving the a value as 0. We are getting the value of a into 1 is 0. Next 1 into 1, it will be 1. So this is the identity property. So next is involution property. Involution property. So under the involution property, what it will do? It will take the double inversion of a given variable and it will give the answer in its original value. For example, if we take a double bar, it will give the answer as a. So let's see this with a example. For example, a value is equals to 0. Then what it will take? If zeros, a value is 0 means a double bar first we need to take a single bar of 0. So what is a single bar? If 0, a complement, okay, sorry, a bar is equals to 0, then the value will be 1. So again we need to take the 1 bar. So the value of 1 bar will be 0. So this is called the double inversion of given variable. So now 0 double bar. So single bar of 0 is 1. Then once what 1 bar is nothing but is equals to 0. So next if we take a is equals to 1. So 1 double bar. So first we need to take a single bar of 1. What we'll get? It will be a 0. Then 0 bar. It is 1. So you can see the truth table. That is a, and this is a double bar. If we give value a for 0, then we'll get a value a double bar as 0. 1, it will be a value 1. So involution property, it will give the original value of the given variable. So next we'll study the idempotency property. That is third one, idempotency property. So this property expression will be a plus a, which will give the answer as a. And if you do the a into a, it will give the answer as a. So let's see. We'll prove this property. So for a plus a, which will giving the a. So we'll take value of a as a 0 first. We'll put the a value as 0 plus 0. Answer will be 0. If we put a value as 1. So 1 plus 1. The answer will be 1. So for a into a, we'll take the value of a as a 0. Next a will take a value of 1. So for 0, 0 into 0, the value will be 0. 1 into 1, value will be 1. So let's see the truth table for this. This is a and this is a plus a. First we are giving the 0, then 1. So 0 plus 0, it will be 0. 1 plus 1, it will be 1. So for this, this is a and this is a into a. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, it will be 1. So next property is complement property. So complement property is nothing but it is a complement of a given value. For example, a is equals to 1. Then a bar of this is equals to 0. So let's see with the expression. So first we'll see the a plus a bar. That will give the value as 1. Next, a into a bar. This will give the value of 0. So let's prove this. First a value will be 0, then 1. So we'll take a value as 0 plus complement of a, it will be 1. Then the answer will be 0 plus 1, it will be 1. Then 1, a value is 1. Then complement of 1, it will be 0. Then the answer is 1. So next, for a into a bar is equals to 0. So we'll prove this. So we'll take a value of a is 0 and 1. So first we'll do with the 0. So 0 into a complement of 0, that is 0 complement is nothing but 1. So answer 0 into 1 will be 0. Then a value is 1. Then complement of 1 is 0. The answer will be 0. So let's see the truth table for both. This is a and this is a plus a bar. So 0, 1. So 0 plus 0. Complement of 0 is 1. So the answer will be 1. So 1 plus complement of 1, it will be 0. The answer will be 1. So for same, this is a and this is a into a. 0, 1, answer is 0. So these are the 4 property. First one is identity property, which is giving the expression as a plus 0, which is giving the answer as a. You can see the truth table. Involution property, which will takes the double inversion of given variable and it will give the value of its original variable. Next is idempotency property. It is a plus a bar. A plus a, which is giving the value as a, and a into a, which is giving the value as a. Whatever the value of a you are giving, you are getting the same answer in the idempotency property. Next comes complementary property, which will take the complement of a given value. If you are taking a is equals to 1, then the complement of a is 0. If you are taking a is equals to 0, then the complement of 0 is 1. You can see the truth table. So in the next session, we'll study the next property. Thank you.